Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to learn about divisibility rule. So let us learn about divisibility rule. Children, it is a set of specific rules that apply to a number to check whether the given number is divisible by a particular number or not. It helps us to find the factors and multiples of numbers without performing long division. So let us look on the divisibility by 2. Children, divisibility rule of 2 says that if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, so that number will be divisible by 2. For example, 176. So you can see here this number ends with 6. It means that 176 is exactly divisible by 2. Let's see the divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3 says that if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, so that number will be divisible by 3 only. For example, 177. So first we will add all the numbers, then after getting the sum of the numbers, we have to check that is that number is divisible by 3 or not. So here we get 15. It means 15 is divisible by 3. So 177 is also divisible by 3. Now let's look on the divisibility rule of 4. Children, the divisibility rule of 4 says that if the last two digits are both 0 or the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4, so the given number will also be divisible by 4. So let's understand with the example 600. So children, you can see here as the last two digit is 0, it means that 600 is divisible by 4. So in 924, last two digit is 24. So 24 is exactly divisible by 4. So here the given number is 924. So this is also divisible by 4. Now let's understand the divisibility rule of 5. Children, the divisibility rule of 5 says that if the number ends with 0 and 5, so the given number will be divisible by 5. For example, 905. So you can see here this number ends with 5. So 905 is divisible by 5. And in 700 you can see this number ends with 0. It means that the 700 is also divisible by 5. Now let us look on the divisibility rule of 9. Children, the divisibility rule of 9 says that if the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 9, so the given number will also divisible by 9. So let's understand with the example 630. So children, here we get the sum 9. It means that the given number 630 is also divisible by 9. Children, this rule is very similar to that of 3. But remember that all numbers divisible by 3 are not divisible by 9. However, all numbers divisible by 9 are divisible by 3. Now let us look on the divisibility rule of 10. Children, the divisibility rule of 10 says that a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit of the number is 0. For example, 630. So children, you can see here the last digit in 630 would be 0. So the number 630 is exactly divisible by 10. I hope you all understand well, children. Thank you and have a nice day.